Tagalog-English translation. Sinabi ko na sa'yo na hindi ko alam kung paano gawin yan. I told you I don't know how to do that. Ayaw ko lang na umasa ka. I just don't want to get your hopes up. Hindi ko maintindihan ang sinasabi mo. I don't understand what you're saying. Hindi ako susuko ano man ang sabihin mo. I won't quit no matter what to say. Wala akong dahilan para sabihin sa iyo. I see no reason to tell you. May dapat kang makita. There's something you should see. Bibigyan pa kita ng isang huling pagkakataon. I'm going to give you one last chance. Hindi ko ito magagawa kung wala ka. I couldn't have done this without you. Iyan mismo ang gusto kong gawin mo. That's exactly what I want you to do. Kung magbago ang isip mo, sabihan mo ako. If you change your mind, let me know. Masaya akong masaya ka sa trabaho mo. I'm glad you're happy with your job. Alam ko kung bakit hindi mo sinabi ang totoo. I know why you didn't tell the truth. Hindi ako makapaniwalang sinasabi ko sa iyo ito. I can't believe I'm telling you this. Hindi mo kailangan sumagot agad. You don't have to answer right away. Hindi kita sinisisi sa nangyari. I don't blame you for what happened. Nagtataka ka siguro kung sino ako. You're probably wondering who I am. Alam kong marami kang tanong. I know you have a lot of questions. Alin sa tingin mo ang tama? Which one do you think is correct? Ano yung gusto mong pag-usapan? What is it that you want to talk about? Naguguluhan ka ba? Are you confused?